how to watch Netflix with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can watch Netflix with your friends, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you actually want to watch Netflix with your friends, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, if you just open up Netflix and then you want to watch it with friends, you cannot do that. Let's say that you want to screen share and then watch with your friends together, right? So in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to download this application which is called Rave. So open up your app store, whether you're on iOS or whether you're actually on Android, it doesn't really matter. Go to your app store and then download this application which is Rave Watch and Party Together. Now once you've downloaded this application, I want you to go ahead and then open it up. Now next thing it will ask you is to simply go ahead and then log into your Rave account. Now it is very easy to create your Rave account. You can sign in with the Google ID, your Apple ID, your Twitter, Facebook, or whatever else you have. Once you log into Rave, what you might want to do is just tap on the plus icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on plus icon, you'll find the option called Netflix. So when you tap on Netflix, it will take you to a page where you have to sign into your Netflix account, right? Now because in my case I already signed into my Netflix account, it will directly load me my Netflix page over here. So now just search for the series or shows that you actually want to watch. In this case, once you search for it, all you have to do is just tap on the play button here and the specific movie will begin playing. Now what you have to do is, in order to watch this with friends, you have to make sure your friends have also downloaded the Rave app and then signed into their account, and they must also have their Netflix account signed in. Then after you've done that, you can just tap on this people icon from the top right hand side to invite your friends, and just tap on this plus icon from the bottom to search for your friends and contacts, and then you should be able to watch Netflix together with them. But as I said, you need this application which is a third-party app, and that's basically called Rave. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.